How to create images using Meta AI. This tutorial shows you how to generate AI images directly inside WhatsApp on Android. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. From there, look at the home screen and tap the Meta AI button. It's the purple circle icon sitting right above the new chat button. After that, the Meta AI chat will open up, where you can type anything you want to generate. At this point, type in your image prompt in the text field. For example, try something like, "Make me a picture of a light bulb glowing on a dark background," to keep things simple. From there, tap Send and give it a moment. Meta AI will take a little time to process and generate the image based on your prompt. Following this, once the image appears, tap on it to expand it and get a full view. From here, if you want to save it, tap the Download button at the top of the screen, and it will be saved directly to your gallery. After that, if you want to share the image with someone, long press on it and use the forward option to send it to any chat. Finally, if you're not happy with the result, just type a new prompt or refine your description, and Meta AI will generate a fresh image for you. Keep in mind that Meta AI is available across other Meta apps as well, so you can use the same feature on Instagram and Facebook if you prefer. That's how you create images with Meta AI on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.